European wood plastic development and investment joint stock company is the pioneer in outdoor wood plastic materials. As a part of a group that have exported to more than 85 countries. With brand name EUROSTARK, our product are widely applied in many parts of the world. The factory is spacious, has modern technology and high capacity. The talented leadership team and a young, enthusiastic and energetic staff. EUROSTARK is proud to provide to customers with aesthetic, quality, safe and eco-friendly products. The product has gained many domestic and international certifications. Showrooms with diverse designs to help customers have easy choices. Products have carefully packaging to meet any standards before shipping to customers. EUROSTARK is pleased to be a reliable partner of all customers. We always strive to bring the best products.